Looking for a healthy and tasty way to lose weight? Consider this easy-to-make weight loss juice packed with several herbs and fruits known for their weight loss benefits. The recipe calls for 1 cucumber, 2 celery stalks, 1 apple, 1 lemon, a 1-inch piece of ginger root, a handful of parsley, and a handful of mint leaves. Begin by washing all the ingredients thoroughly. Then, chunk the cucumber and apple to fit into your juicer. Next, slice the lemon in half. The ginger root needs peeling and rough chopping before it's juicing ready. Once all the ingredients are prepared, add everything except the mint leaves to your juicer. It's time to juice up a storm. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into your favorite glass, stir in those fragrant mint leaves, and voila, your weight loss juice is ready to enjoy. Now you might wonder, what makes this juice a weight loss champion? Well, the cucumber is low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Similarly, celery, with its low calorie and high fiber content, may also reduce inflammation in your body. The apple in your juice serves up high fiber and water content, reducing calorie intake by keeping you full. The lemon isn't just for taste, it contains vitamin C, a known metabolism booster and detoxifier. The ginger root brings more to the table than just spice. It has anti-inflammatory properties believed to aid weight loss. Parsley, a natural diuretic, can help to remove excess water weight. And finally, those mint leaves don't just make your juice taste refreshing, they can help reduce cravings and improve digestion. This weight loss juice is not just a healthy and tasty beverage, it's a blend of ingredients each with their own unique benefits, working together to support your weight loss journey. So why not give it a try?